Namaste students. खुश रहो बेटिया. In today's class, we will be going to discuss about the isolation and characterization of bacteria from contaminated soil. So, microorganisms are abundant in nature. Okay. The soil contains numerous microorganisms. Here we are taking the serial dilution agar plating method for the isolation of the microorganisms. Okay. So the principle is that when the material containing microorganism is cultured with each viable cells will develop into a colony. Okay. And the culture, okay, the number of colony represent the number of microorganisms in the soil. So what are the requirements we need to perform the practical? Soil sample, media, NAM, bacteria, PDA, fungi, and streptomycin, sterile blank water, Petri plate, needle, Bunsen burner, pipettes. Marker, colony, counter. Okay. So these are the requirements for before starting the experiment. We have to well established it in a list out all the things should be in a available to us for the performance of the practical. Okay. So media NAM bacteria, we can say it is pepton of 5 gram, beef extract 3 gram, NaCl 5 gram, agar 15 gram, distilled water 1000 ml, and we have to maintain a pH of 7. For PDA fungi, we can take the potato peel 5 grams, dextrose 3 grams, agar 15 gram, and distilled water 1000 gram. Okay. So here we are maintaining a pH of 5.6 for fungi. Okay. So the procedure is soil collection. 3 different samples are or 5 to 10 samples we can take to minimize the error. Minimum of 5 different soil samples are collected to have to collect and make a composite sample. Okay. Soil is collected below. We have to collect 5 to 10 centimeter of the earth crust. A sterile blank was labeled. Okay. And other methods of isolation of we can use also. Several other methods are also there. So which can be used like a difference of 5 to if you want to see what is the depth 10 centimeter below also or 15 centimeter below also. Pouring method, spreading method, striking method, or serial dilution method. We can go with different techniques here. So serial dilution, it is the bacteria or the soil sample, whatever we are taking. We have to take into 1 ml in again into 1 is to 100, 1 is to 1000, 1 is to 1000, and 1 is to 1 lakh. So like that, we can go on serial diluting it, the bacteria, the soil sample in a serial dilution. So the more the dilution is, the colonies will be in a prominent and less for we can get a pure culture also. So the 10 grams of the soil sample we can take with 90 ml of 90 ml of sodium chloride, and 1 is to 10 ratio of the dilution of the soil. We can go for dilution, and serial dilution we can take. Then spread 1 ml on the replicate petri plate containing appropriate media. So the incubation of the plate at 37 degrees centigrade for 24 to 48 hours in an interval position, inverted position. Okay. So count the number of colonies for the microorganism in each plate using Quebec colony counter. Okay. So calculate the number of microorganisms per gram of soil. So the viable cells by per gram on the dry soil. Mean plate counting into the dilution factors by the dry weight of the soil. Okay. So observation, the plate for observe the plate, the number of distribution in the colonies and the bacteria, fungi and actinomycetes from each dilution. Select the plate from the appropriate dilution which contain colonies in the range of 30 to 300 and make the plate count using counter. Okay. Since the dilution plates are replicate for each other, determine the average duplicate microbial count or record your result in the chart. Okay. So the viable calculation can be done by using the viable cells per gram dry soil is equal to mean plate count into dilution factor by the dry weight of the soil. So for example, if we take like if we take like the samples, we have to undergo multiplications in that, and we have to find out the results, and the results have to be cross-checked. Okay. So the precautions while doing the experiments, isolation of the microorganisms should be done from composite samples collected randomly from a field. Soil should be powdered form, it should be like powdered form and dry. Each dilution must thoroughly shaken before removing the for a subsequent dilution. Okay. Use separate sterile pipettes for each of the dilution. Immediately after the addition of the media from the in-plate inoculum is to mix with the circular and side movements and swing the petri plate. Thank you. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, please write down in the comment box. We will resolve it in the problem solving session. Thank you.